Hi, I'm Sally Holland. Together with my husband Derek, we own this beautiful olive grove here in Duck Creek in Matakana. We've been here for 10 years, and when we arrived, we needed to deal and find a company who was going to stand by us, provide us with a quality product, not only to harvest our olives, but just the whole process. So from that, here we are 10 years later, been absolutely thrilled with the product, Pellenc, and dealing with Hydrolata. It's been a fantastic 10 years working with them. And then a few months ago, the rep turned up. Now I've got pruners, fabulous, what every girl should have. And I have about 50 roses, but the pruners also come in handy with all the little water shoots you get off your olive trees. So I can put my pruners on, go around the grove and just take off all the water shoots. So the company provides a lot of different forms of tools that really, in our toolkit, it's been absolutely perfect. So anyway, the rep turned up, and he turned up with a lawnmower. So it was like, here we have all these big toys, and then he turned up with this lawnmower, and we thought, and it was perfect timing. There's two types, and this was the type we chose, and it has been absolutely fantastic. Like everything else from Pellenc, we've never had such a beautiful cut on a lawn, and of course all our batteries that we have for all our gear for harvesting. We were fortunate to have the batteries, so we thought, right, well, we took one off the gear, threw it on the mower, and off we went. The great thing about this mower too, again, for someone like me, I'm no spring chicken. I can start it easily. I can pull my levers even when the mower's off to plug it back in. It's a great all-round